Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm gonna be nuking a thing of Tidy Bowl. I have no idea what this will do in the microwave, since as far as I know, I am the first person in human history to microwave a Tidy Bowl tablet. So we'll just have to wait and see what it does. This Tidy Bowl tablet's going inside of Lindsay, the microwave, who's quite a dirty girl, and inside of this microwave starting to smell like shit despite all the soap I microwave. I predict that the Tidy Bowl tablet will probably swell up just like a bar of soap would. Now, time to get microwaving for 2 minutes. Stop this early because couldn't see shit inside of there. Whoa, no wonder the fucking tablet caught fire. Oh, toilet smoke. Don't breathe this. Oh, Christ almighty. Boy, was I wrong in my prediction. Tidy Bowl does not swell up like soap. Yeah, it fucking burns like wood. Okay, I did not see that coming. Now, I'm going to have to say that after the surprising results of this experiment, microwaving a Tidy Bowl tablet is a bad idea. For a while it was starting to do like soap, but the damn thing actually caught fire. Okay, and with that, I'm going to have to say, bad idea. You don't want to microwave your Tidy Bowl at home. Please, leave that to the idiots, the professionals like myself. Oh, and it stinks, too. Bad idea.